Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create a Quora account. So for this you will have to just download the Quora application. I will already download it and just open it. So if you have account you will just have to log in, and if you don't have you will just have to sign up with Google, and also you can sign up with Facebook. So I will recommend it to sign up with Google. So continue with Google, just simple click to on the top. So you will just add your Google account and it will be creating your account automatically with no worries. So you will just select the niche of what you like: technology, movies, health, food, science, music, books, whatever you want to like you daily basis hobbies. So you will just select the all steps, and just when you complete it your selection, so you will just click to tab done. So for the next procedure, so you're done, your account has been created. So this is your Quora account created. It's very simple and easy. You can just simply sign up with Gmail account, so it will be created. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.